In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get temporary USA email. If you need a quick disposable inbox for signups, verifications, or testing on US websites without sharing your primary address, this walkthrough will show you the simplest way to do it. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the phrase temp mail. This keyword will bring up services that create disposable email addresses instantly. In the results, look for the listing titled Temp Mail, Disposable Temporary Email, and click it. This will take you to a site that generates a working inbox for you automatically, no registration required. Once the page loads, you'll see a temporary email address ready to use. You can copy it and paste it wherever you're signing up or requesting a verification code. Keep this tab open while you complete the sign up on the other site. Most verification emails arrive in a few seconds, but depending on the sender,
It can take a minute or two. When a message comes in, it will appear right on the page in your inbox area. Click the message to view its contents, and if it includes a code or a link, use it as you normally would. If you don't see the email yet, try waiting a little longer or use the refresh button on the page to check again. This kind of disposable address is great for quick tasks, but remember a few best practices. Don't use it for anything you might need to recover later.
like banking, long-term accounts, or sensitive communications. Messages are temporary and can expire, and some services block disposable domains altogether. If that happens, simply return to the site and try again later with a newly generated address, or consider using a different disposable email provider. If you want to discard the address you're using and get a fresh one, look for the delete option on the page and click it. The site will immediately remove the current inbox and generate a brand new email address for you. This is handy if the address starts receiving spam or if you'd like a clean slate for another sign-up. That's all there is to it. Search for Temp Mail on Google, open the Temp Mail site, use the auto-generated address to receive messages in the on-page inbox, and delete it when you're done. Use disposable emails responsibly, follow the terms of the services you use, and keep sensitive information off temporary inboxes.